Because no agwakwa mu na agwa na tata na m chọrọ ichu okwu. Agwakwa mu na agwa tata na m chọrọ ichu okwu. So before they will forge ahead, ask him biko. Before Igbo na-ebully him na comment section, biko don't watch this video. And if you're a hater of Ogechi, biko don't watch this video. Because now, enwe one man a na-akpọ Kensili Ofuji Kiki ka a na-akpụ ya. O so na ndị melo bata abịa eme Ogechi arrest mgbe ahụ emele Ogechi arrest. Mechi ihe niile o mee ịmago with all the whole akaja niile a na-eme. Day before yesterday being the court day. Mana yesterday ọ dịkwa yesterday bụ 8 being the court day. Day before yesterday o wee ṅụọ iyi sị na Arobi na-agụrụ na-abịa ya na-alụsi ọlụ ike. Na Arobi na-agụrụ na-abịa ya alụsi ọlụ ike. Nọ na onweghị emekata ka hapụ Ogechi nyaa. Yotago. So nene video mbo Kensili ṅụrụ iyi na marapụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Nene this video.
Pay attention. When you make a reason Ogechi that 8. Only trauma tell you further. These people never pay attention. He can't Ogechi on the 8. Man, he ain't where they ban on. But these people are nobody won't never won. When I never know who is canceling. And there is Ogechi on the 8. Manana Baragomo or no how they have thief. And then they what here? Okwa 8, okwa in less than 4 days now.
Oh yeah, what? Tuesday of your
on Naples.
Hello, to 9 o'clock or more.
On the 8th, Yawa, 23rd of Mr. B. Agma, Munijeliano. Why I put it and Nora can now go there.
Well, no,
what it Nora. And I may see about myself, I then won't. Oh no, if you never bring you know for it, tell us near you put a Cameroon pepper, Mansoka pepper. Why a Jebo man can dab a click Agman no Nepaco, Quifron. Let a put up one chanting on. I say, hey, one is a little bag again, name it. I want to why not to bag in it. Don't worry. Yeah, make a way drum with Ogini telling that this year. You go out.
Thank you. Mamma Nesigia. Now, ewe rapo Ogechi yesterday okwu wee bie na court mana emechefuzi na iko onye jima ka ji ama akwali ya that's on jisu na nchọrọ iche okwu tata kwefota permission I want to achọ m iche okwu mana otogo ka nchoke na data okwu a so iko onye jima ka eji ama ali ya ka esile amaro na nwaanyị yuzuru ha wee bebe me Ogechi arrest that paid them because all of them were paid including all of them were paid. So the woman is Abuja be Ogechi arrest. No, they were contacted through somebody that knows somebody, and they were tracing Ogechi, tracing him, intelligent caller, all of them. That was why they wapoed her that day in Aban. No. They wapoed her on Wapohana. Then Geziante gave us him as a cancel that yesterday. Gave us him a cancel that yesterday. That's what Bible was. The prophet was saying by this time tomorrow, a magistrate of the hierarchy officers of the king said, no, it will not happen. As Obuya, still the word of the prophet came to pass. For example, Kanya so kwamuna prophet uko, the name misunderstand them. So Gezian and Tifun for the heme cancel that yesterday. Then end this video.
Allow you to call with your lawyer, imagine nonsense. Intelligent scholar. Oh, Jesus. Because all I can find man no you to go. No you to go where that prayer go. Why is he resisting arrest? Police got in. Police got in make arrest. Guinness resist arrest. Okay, come mad it in your way na problem. Allow you to call with your lawyer, imagine nonsense. Look at what a nonsense. Guys, God go do no bikoni. All you wanna get we ready. Unu akwenyo nye unu menemu, mechamu. Dim trauma. Happen that bedin. So bad. All you wanna available in the match. Una try now, and you people have tried. have tried chọọ mụ na di anọzini m na di onye ọla chọziri ịbịa alụm bịa alụzienụ m akwa na try ya ala kesi na adịgo arrested na kesi ụlọ emela establish kesi ụlọ onye ọbụla dịwazie ready.
Abonu na Fogia Kinsley was rightfully arrested that yesterday. When I say where's my lawyer, I want to call my lawyer. Ebe on register arrest, omelkwando police aru. Omelkwando police aru. Uru na afukwa. Gene the hunter has now become the hunted. Ekum this thing yesterday. It's all about turn by turn. It's all about turn by turn. A popular blog uno mama na-ejekwa nga o. A popular blog uno mama na-ejekwa nga. Achinkom announce all you kita ahead of time. Ahead of time. A popular blog uno mama onu mayama o ejenga. I will be here. We tell you the news, and I will also remind you people this video because mgbe na-ekwu onye ọbụla tie ọnụ ya n'ọbụ onye ọbụla na na-ekwu isi baka. So in order to conclude this video, Neziano the whole thing is including the arrest of Kinsley and what Kinsley did that prompted his arrest, and why Ogechi is vindicated. Because this man, jobless men here and there, without alcohol. So when you this video, I want you to subscribe because I want to have video in Jacho Kutata.
Hello wonderful people, how you guys doing? Okay, if you know you want to be on this platform, if you want to be on my platform, like oh my god, if you want to come on my live program, I'm so excited. I'm like, seriously, right now I'm excited. Okay, I want everyone to give me stars. Oh my god, I want everyone to give me stars. Like, I want stars, you know, stars before I go down to business. Okay, just want to acknowledge Jim Venza for today's program. Well done. You understand, sometimes if we keep quiet for people to keep threatening, especially those of us in diaspora, someone somewhere in Nigeria, because you feel you're connected to the people in government, and then you keep threatening people in diaspora. That's kind of really wrong. So Jim Venza, thank you so much for, you know, speaking out your mind. You understand? I'm not going to encourage you to bully anyone, as long as you're not mentioning anyone's name, as long as you're not directing your message to anybody in particular. But I want to say that any married woman who allows herself to be used by a guy, for the guy to come and tell unpleasant story, knowing fully well that my husband is not from my tribe, and a man from my tribe is saying something to another married woman about myself. Any married woman that goes about, now this is like a general talk right now, I'm not kind of trying to pin this on someone. If you're a married woman and you're cheating on your husband, is really wrong. That's to start with. And if you're a married woman and another man who is supposedly supposed to be married comes out to tell a woman, another married woman, about you, about things that are unheard of, then it's questionable. But anyway, that is not why I'm here actually. I'm here because I want to address Promise John. You understand? People, last time I said I was going to also tag, bring out the other one with email address. I'm so sorry, I've been a bit busy. That is why you haven't seen me. Now, Promise John, I want to let you know that Please, sorry people, you know I'm on break. I want this ambulance to go pass. Now, Promise John, I know you're an errand girl, so you keep on running errand for, you know. I was thinking actually today you'll be in Abuja, you know, to go and record Oge and bring it. I don't know why you people are not telling the judge that you people have been videoing Oge, bringing it to public to harass her, to bully her, since you people feel she has bullied you people. Like all those of you on comment section, especially those my haters, I'm immune to hate speech, so it's not going to take anything away from me. It's only going to make me stronger. Now, for the past 8 years, PJ Fashion, you have supported Ogechi. You have supported in raising 20 million. A done deal. You have promoted the hospital that they will finish, and you could not even one thing you could not achieve to help Ogechi finish building the hospital. But because of your greediness, because of your anyuku opolo eyes, because you want to be like Ogechi, that is why you turn 360 to start fighting Ogechi. Because you want to also have a hotel, you want to have a bar restaurant where people can come in to drink and eat, that you can never achieve in this life. You want to build a hospital. You just wish, you know, I was going through your old videos, how you were wearing shorts, how you were interacting with Chima blog long ago, when you used to wear all this your fake with fake akupe to come out. And I said to myself, so all these years you've always wanted to be like Oge, wear bomb shot like Oge used to do. And I shook my head and I told Alicia today, I said the greatest mistake Oge did was opening up to PJ Fashion. You understand? See, most of the people that I was actually communicating with in the quest when I was fighting Ogechi, asked most of them, they hardly know anything about me. So somehow, partly I'll blame Oge for letting herself lose to some illiterates, because PJ is an illiterate. You know, I was just going through a video someone sent me where she came out that that is only bail, she will meet her. So Promise John, in a wish madu in her geo, in a tomado for aka, 4 will come to you. Ogechi will come out by the special grace of God. And by the grace of God, she will meet her bail condition. By the special grace of God, she will meet her bail condition, because this case is supposed to be a civil case between herself and Ike Guragura. It's not a criminal case. More so, the video, in fact, Emechanga got more video and more voice notes that will send to, for them to send to Oge's lawyer. That might be very help. Can you add their check in more voice notes that will be of help to Oge? You understand? Because this thing is becoming ridiculous. Like, seriously, it's becoming ridiculous. Mention this few minutes video now. May je check here. Show more video of Ike Guragura and more voice notes. That I don't need to, like I told you guys, I don't need to come and play anything online. It's just to Chirila Chinye George, that this same lady that is crying before the court, saying that she's been bullied by Fortunate or by Oge's fan. The same lady has been coming out. No, it's not cha 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 cha. When police arrest here, police not a calibre, right? Police not a calibre. You will come and answer. You will come with the bus from bus. Yeah, coming to answer the police. From you be on the bus from Lagos, from the east to the Abuja, from the east from Abuja. No, if your mother got, or if your mother not have this online. Like, seriously? I mean, I've always told you, emulate from your friends in America. You see how they do clean, as in clean slates. You can never trace anything. They are walking behind. You can never trace anything to them, but they know they are walking. You know, all the while I was coming out, when they promised me they will arrest Jim Venza, they will arrest Sharon, they are going to tell Italian embassy that Amma posted their video on her wall. You understand? For where? Instead, they drove to Facebook in America to go and tell Facebook to remove their this thing, their video, where they sang, I am sorry, Lord, I am sorry. Oh, Jesus. Who no go, no. They say he that wears the shoe knows where it hurts. Oh, you're making they give me star. Elijah Onyeze, where is my star? Vanessa, where is my star? Hey, Vanessa, one name. Look, Vanessa, there is somebody that sent me to you. I'll speak to you. 9 bucks. My mecha, one name came. My own sister. Please, make na give. I beg, Vanessa, make na give Jim Venza money for drink. He deserve them. I hate when people stand up to intimidation. Whether you support Oge or you no support Oge, no mean. But him standing up against intimidation, because the threat is becoming too much. You know why? This same lady supported them Jim Venza long ago, calling on Jim. I remember that first time when they arrested Ogechi. She called into Jim Venza's program, and I think I aired that particular thing. I'll go and look for it. You understand? You called into the program. You were saying things and all that you are not going to communicate with anybody again. Then you want to say that the kids, they can't. You are narrating. You've been calling into all Saga. You even called into my own page. You've been calling from different Saga platform to another. You were there the first time when this RIP started, when they were using nude to do program. You never condemned it. You applaud. Now people will not go get anything to take defend. Oh, give me star. God bless you. God bless you. Hey, thanks for the star. Now people will not go fit defend themselves, like with proof, evidence. We know they might be saying Nigeria law does not work, but law they work. Law they work indirectly, or I'm a mono Diego like to and all that. But of my law supposed to work for Nigeria. You understand? Whereby they will allow people to say what happened with proof and evidence, because Ogechi any opportunity equal and the way they do. Number one, you offended her, you called her out. First, second, third. Now unde bini, but in a claim you belong to these people. Ijele even came out and said that he belongs to the Yoruba. Ogechi came out and said she been there bini. He came out in bini na akpok. In there bini how woman, but you're claiming that you belong to this part of the world, from the northern part. Nobody is arguing that with you. But Ogechi came out to claim that I found a sister in you. That I will tell you what some of our Igbo women, not all. If you put doubt me, I'll go and look for that video. You understand? You know, when I was fighting Oge, so I had a lot of Oge's video. That is why you see as they now, then they run up and down, because they know they don't get far. Tanta fanyanya, they don't get. Now me get the whole. Now me get the videos, and that's why they look them, because there is no tangible video where they meaningful to them, where they go fit present. Instead, I'm going to give Oge video where she go or voice notes where she go take table before the court. I hate injustice. I fight for justice, but I hate injustice. You understand? For months, when this thing started, yes, I might not be in good terms with Gift Naji, but I was getting a screenshot of her write-up when they were saying you people should settle this thing inside house and all that. At first, when I heard about Jim Wopru 20,000, I was one of those that came out to condemn it. I condemned it wholeheartedly until Jim Venza now explained. There's somebody now was him now. If initially withdraw go, send them mad 100,000. EJPOS or account now they wopu come in the bank automatically in the wopu. So that was how that thing came. And again, Bianukwana Sharon, you don't know that money. I mean, I know saying God just wants scatter that's them, because Kingsley has committed atrocity right before our very eyes. Kingsley was lying up to today. Kingsley promised una my mama video. He promised una video of myself where in wife that's a Helen Jeremy kidney transplant. Up to today, you don't bring anything. Now make me believe say somehow this is the way you talk about this woman. Lies feed there. But you know what happened? Kingsley was saying this thing thinking no get just time note Sharon, Sharon nenyi ego or Sharon like ya, not knowing that Sharon don't be CEO for this saga. She knows how it goes, so Sharon no fall for that rubbish. Sharon capture him. You understand? Because if a man feel comfortable, they tell him about another woman, they tell some vital parts, upuya, otuya, on a bobra, on a me gom and all that. Nadiana no na alpha, precious children. And then send the pictures, ebenye anya scarf no lu, send the different pictures, ebe no table, na man. No, it's very bad. And the same Kingsley has been bullied. That's why I saved all this. Only one particular page mostly all this their saga and even in intelligent color. All Kingsley's this thing. As time goes on, I go they remind them all the evil and all the lies they told about me. But I know one day, Abu Godina, one Sunday, Ike Guragure Mary arrest. Nature itself will judge Kingsley because that guy no. Oh, and only a brag as if nobody can do him anything, and every day people will still be giving him money. Just recently, I heard the intelligent caller thanking AGK for giving him 200,000. Is that what the money is for? In a new intelligent caller 200, you now have an intelligent caller they bully. This intelligent caller ike gura no backbone ya awuna ike gura nti chiri aka okpurishi ona afu ebe this man na bully nde mmadu na bully. Okay, Ogechi ogwuro mmadu ke ife Ogechi mere mmadu emebegi n'ụwa. You understand? Oge nwe ebe mmadu ga-eme ihe ruo isikwa na okay for tomorrow. Nobody is perfect. I am not perfect. Ogechi is not perfect. No human being is perfect. But casing Koga Wuzi, you know, changing the social media or in-laws validation. We go do this, we go do that. She go pay for waiting now. You are spending money unnecessarily. Now the video in Merita now. If you are saying that anyway, Kingsley deserve sha. You are saying that now a police officer on a main car, they will not deny it. So what was the point of him even coming to do those apologies and writing? So you took the video apology and took the writing. That means he admitted, because he's very foolish. He admitted that he said it and he came to apologize. So that is what you now want to use against him, that it was you, because that he was denying that it wasn't you. Nah, man. Anyway, if you like, leave him. If you like, no leave him. If you say your elder brother, you don't get any elder brother. Now only one brother you get. Now only one brother you get. Where the Malaysia is, which you sponsor to go abroad. So we don't know your elder brother where you say make you leave him. Anyway, you can leave him more, let him go, and all that. But I know that for all the evil Kingsley has committed, and he's still committing, nature will judge him. Number one, yes, we came to fight for justice for Mr. Obi, which I came for. And when I noticed that this justice of the thing, major matter now, these people are not good, was when with their accounts, KG raise ego, make no use what accounts, Yajina and Nande ego. I raised this thing up with intelligent caller and the other women in America. What they told me was, let's leave it. Because this will make sure get your arrest before they will now come and deal with Ken. You understand? Okay, imagine, go to get deal with Ken. They didn't want me to come and say the truth at all. I just don't know. Corona is only Ogechi, any other person. The same thing that time Edwin was doing something. And leave Edwin. Okay, Ogechi is the thing. Abiana see, they will see evil instead of you to fight that evil. Because you're fighting somebody blindly, you will not address the evil. Intelligent caller knows what I'm saying. The moment they knew that period of time, even when Ken Sina Abira Seni gave me arrest, now police made the arrest, I knew they were not through. And then I was saying it then, I became the evil one. That was how POJ members, they're fighting me. I'm jealous of Ken. I'm doing this. Do you know that this guy not today, this Rolex? Do you know, each time I look at Rolex and Apama, I keep saying to myself and my husband, I say, do you know Ken will have been here by now with COS? The only thing maybe Ken will have spent will have been his ticket money before God and man. Because Muna and Muna mommy chori Ken after that first application failed. He wanted to help him to come, but he now is in the past. But I'm just refreshing people's memory. He now lied. Now we wanted to scam him. Anyway, me, I've forgiven him, but I'm just trying to say that in future, you cannot be chasing Ogechi when you know that in a house there is a problem. Why didn't we address it that period so that people will know? People like likes of Baba Barrister say, hey, imagine Baba Barrister saying that nude ought to go gauge about what that period. From internet. And so okay, Ogechi jiri wetezi nke ya. Ogechi jiri say not to Google weputazie ya. I want internet go jiri wete ya. If a whole America could make investigation and said that that thing was, see, this is what they said in that letter, that they even addressed the thing to Ogechi thinking it was all to Google, and said that no crime Ogechi committed, that they've done investigation and the so-called Otoya was shared from Germany. Now Ogechi only shared it and they cannot prosecute her for that because she did not commit, the thing they used was she did not commit any offense by sharing the link. If you've not seen that letter, I might repost it again. Understand there, that's Greg Inspector, whatever. Ogechi did not commit any crime by sharing it, sharing the link of Ebe Shirike Dioto. That was why nobody was arrested in America. And this Google also confirmed. Now Prince G Malaysian number G send area and the Madonna na Germany. You know, sometimes she brings up some make up story from my head because she's finding one lost author that can. I told her that she can't get justice. Oh, because they arrest Ogechi, I've gotten my justice. I tell her, I say, Ike gura no get case. You know why? That is why she's calling on Mirabel and Benko, calling people. If you have anything you want to present, bring in so that we'll take it. We'll take it to the car. Contact me. Your case no gets heard because at the end of the day, I no go the voice notes only. Is sending. That's alone, and so many other things. They been a walk. You got chaplain say which are all connected. Oh yeah, as if na marriage na by force. As if Prince Butchery must marry or to Google by force. Or to Google we don't plan to make them go even rape this Stephanie. Or to Google we don't share kegidara Rona Muwoke. Amu Prince even the video book him that video. Ebos na Prince Eke when you send I go look for him. No Prince Eke when you send the video ya put am be adina ya no wuramu ya. You understand? Me, I stand for justice. I hate injustice. You understand? Let them give Oge. For you, PJ, rejoicing, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed that you can even go back to the same POJ member that tagged you as a criminal syndicate of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. The same POJ members that destroyed you, that you have to come at midnight to come and start laying curse on a Okpa mosquito, on Gobenaja, or you start laying curses on a maybe you don't forget that video. I go play them very soon. This people right you lay curse on them. Oriako, this Oriako, you lay curse. If not be say I commit myself, you wanted Oriako to be arrested by all. Chichi Francisca knows this that I'm saying. As a matter of fact, you were depending on me to start giving you video. And the reason why I did not give you video was because intelligent caller said I should leave you people. I should not send anything. Now happen to Kunu marry the thing. At the end of the day, you PJ, could you do anything? Was Oriako arrested? No, because you want to borrow. You don't get video. Videos now. Imagine say to start the fight. I see the fight Ogechi. Maybe tangible videos for come out because I don't get videos. That me get. It's in my archive. And as long as I say I support Oge, you people cannot have that video. If you not like, make una play the video on Kemuno Ogechi the bar war. Gerardine say fortunate. Is killed expired Mr. Obi, Fortunate, Vitalist Njaka, and Ogechi Okeke Njaka, expired Mr. If una make una he plenty now, make una play more. And they tell the judge, say the head of their chief head, we don't talk all this thing. Let her come go make peace with the person. Say they make una invite them come. Una go wait for me and a mess. Now I go say come give una. So PJ, you're happy that she will miss her bail condition. So you dey pray, make she know me. The day you will be in trouble, may you never meet your bail condition. Promise if former John. The day got banyana so can go kwagi iye ni na-eme all this your jiji way they do. I dey see am. The day we go come dey tell you I ga mana agbara ka gini a na-emekọta ihe. So ihe niile na ma ekpere niile she will end up in shame. All those ekpere niile I dey see them. Oh God, I dey see them. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. Also, until you go down yourself, until you go to this thing, you je Canada, you je Vietnam or Cambodia, or you be UK, there one UK authority that Geraldine see that your ex-husband said you stole a child, and we don't know the mother of the child, and that is why we're putting calls across the authorities of Dublin for them to interrogate you. Even your own bad parts, it shows Zeka are not a woman like you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. So you cannot fight Ogechi on your own. You cannot chase Ogechi and spend money. You want another woman, not under a man, Jumazi. Did you hear the way her daughter was speaking that day? Her daughter made her got her lemon, or can you also marry her that day? Did you hear that? I mean, Ike Guragura's daughter. Did you hear the perfect English that girl was speaking? You even think that child is here in UK, as in clean English, as in mommy. Oh man, that day, no, as in I respect that alone made me to respect her. Like, the children, her daughter, at least the one she's giving them the best. So PJ, what I did with our huga. Wait, so people, if you see the picture, Mary, can go soon now here. Couldn't photo. Oh God! Before my break, I go. Let us show now. Ebo yika ka house girl. Naga, Lena huya, Lenu. Even she's sote. Ahuya ne fold, uzi fold. Lenia. She wants to belong by all means. Oh yeah, copy this one and tell them I was bullying you. Copy this one. Say an ne bulugi. Oh yeah. Ahuya ne food see food. I want to belong. I want to belong by all means. You know here. All the one also kichoriji. Hey, thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Vanessa George. I really appreciate. Thank you. You know, by sure can one yozo name with get justice. You cannot go and file and say okay, it's me and you. You say that Oga Johnny Raramo, Oga Johnny did this, oh yeah, I'm saying you, and then okay will come out. You said you eat my auto history, maybe Nasaro in my in which are sense. And you know who I will blame? I will blame Oge for allowing people like you, giving you access. Oh man, now for each okay, I wish Oge feel like me small. Hey Jesus, I wish Oge be like me small, as in small. Anyways, everybody gets it on. If Oge be like me small, what I'm gonna Alicia see if you that mistake in Mary, sending a sending mother picture, true to God, Alicia didn't no one you send. I quit forgetting na enka agada. Did they no one they no send pictures Alicia, you in particular, I go Saga you, and that day I go bring out your picture. Did they know ni nyere mmadu picture gi ka wuru na da nka hi nyere apare ka wuru no source ya ka that's the only one any day no anywhere happen ka abuputa all this fake one e buputa si na Alicia, but any day no na Alicia with a picture nye somebody you don't even know if you ever miss na this Facebook. See, for those warriors where they hide themselves, Make una hide una self very well. Unu hide unu because na so POJ members they hide themselves. If not be say intelligent caller, they come out by himself. Me, I for no bring am out because I get in picture. I for no bring am because I know they like to betray. Baba Barrister, I get her picture. You understand? But I'm not quick to betray like that. Because once in a while, once upon a time rather, she was also good to me. So bringing out her picture doesn't make sense. But in Chorigwa, the warriors, especially Alicia, they didn't get no need your picture or Vanessa George. I go Saga Alicia. Alicia, they didn't get no need your picture. Happy go there and you will present her outside. Yes. Someone like Fiona now, her picture there outside, she know the hide. Or she get her own style of doing saga or now her puta. Now before Sharon they come out, now Sharon know they come out. Only may bloody saga, only you put in here. Me, I feel bring out, I feel no bring out. You understand? But at least everybody might want. But so now wait there on that comment say if POJ members, evil people know they bring out their face. Why you not go the same picture? No do that trust. Say imagine Alicia they trust her party. You only got trust or bro you na got school kiji your picture nye. Hey! Now wow. Hey, who they request saga never end. Now wow. Saga never end. Every day why I hear I go saga. The picture when I guess now see $1 picture of Alicia when I guess now fake. I know all the thing when they do when they send when they one hacker account they tell her she put we know she cannot fall for that trick. You understand? Gone are those days. The picture of Alicia, it just I don't know where Alicia they live. So I never meet Alicia now. I was so okay. But because say I know Alicia. That's why if they bring, I will just they laugh on her. Now so they talk that and say, hey, Alicia, you put anyi mad. No, Alicia, now Saga the woman. Hey, didn't know na Alicia in any other person your picture again, eh? I tell Alicia, say, thank God, say PJ no hold your picture. PJ for release picture. Couldn't free you Jim Veda. Jim Veda Maria NK Agada na Daisy Empire war. Over 50K, nye, on so you don't want them to make you think cannot reach her bill or her bill conditions. Again, wrong image say that don't be deceived by anybody. Okay, what transpired in court? DJ Fashion, Onyorinwa, what transpired in court? Jenny make all those your incantation in name or you make there one day, So we can make this thing. Somebody as a prominent woman, or in a soyari clean the you don't even see better people follow. Now clean the drunk. You don't even see correct people follow. Do you understand? So that they can't do show, they not tell you. You can't they follow them, say why they know, you can't they ask them why they not tell you. Hey, it's just like say when Buchi they come. We don't tell me at the land this day I go here, I go here, they go Canada, I go here, you everywhere where they go. So the extent say he gets his own show for this thing. They bring all these comedians come, perform for his show. They can't tell you. If you are here, now this hot summer, you read this leather. I will want to carry man out. So na togo toy iputa na ana akpari Ogechi. But all your own turn. Ije mewe puro soji, ose fubu kwa gidie. So electronic game soji, urumu agada nani ebu. Hey, Chineke. Not only you work come. Not only you work come. Everything what you do, I dey see am. But it no matter because they go anywhere. Saga never end. I dey try add you. I don't know whether na my network or na your own. Yeah, Saga never end, don't you? Saga never end. Hello. Bia, apokule go na my platform o. Facebook get censor ya biko. I don't want block you. I will just remove you. Hey, Saga never end. No come play music for my platform because Facebook they very sensitive. I don't know who be that. I just say me I bring the person in. I don't know who that person is, so I don't remove you. Don't bother requesting again because I won't bring you on. So PJ fashion is runwa or is runwa according to Ogbanje is chimchetam is ruyak is roya Afrime. What led to this Afime? The Afime, was it genuine or was it fake? And why did you have to deceive the public? Why did you have to play on the integrity of prominent men and women on social media? Why did you allow us to waste our congratulations pretending to be pregnant when you knew you were not? Trying to mock other women, trusting God genuinely for something beautiful. And you even came out. Sina, even putabia ngoyi, don't worry, I go play all those videos. Putabia ngoyi, na oburu na oburu nwa gi, ni oburu afa ka ejiri buo nwa, na nka na ichefuchala ekpere imere. The videos not there. The videos they deal. You even came out, we're abusing upper mosquito, no pomo. Now, princess, you lied. You said this baby. You know, see all those courses. Says go context, reverse those courses. You know, manja basa. You are not manja left. Such mentality. I don't know, be this such mentality. I know they accept anyhow. Man, I know such mentality. I know they bring in again. I don't know, be that. Oh, come bring me play music. We're gonna make Facebook censor my page. You understand? So at the end of the day, they can't give them updates. You don't allow intelligent caller. Okay, they say they don't arrest Kiki, which they go soon release Kiki. You understand? Now you don't allow intelligent caller. Can't give updates. Now you house girl, errand girl, what they wear, leather shine for this summer. Come out with your flat nyash. If you could ahogi, I'm not lap some wine a bank purple. But in Kaozi, ahogi azugi be a bachang purple. No, I go to screenshot them. Put them with your Gucci, with your Chanel bag. Fake Chanel bag. Wait, now person whenever use Chanel, now you go to deceive. Me, I don't use Chanel. So now people whenever use and go to deceive. Say you buy at $20,000. See you and lie now 5 and 6. No, Ogechi, now you know so Ogechi do you this. Ogechi, do you want to get justice? Justice be here. This is justice wogi here. You need raise 20 million naira for hospital, for NGO. Now you know say you won't get justice. Now you won't go hide under Ikeguragura to get justice. Can you not stand on your own with your contacts? Is this your recent boyfriend, aka Prince? Is it not okay? You should even have connection. Faith Ogochukwu has connection. She's an army lady. She has connection. So leave happen go the uno happen one year aka. Uno happen Ikeguragura aka. Leave her alone. Let her have a peace of mind. People should be on your own and fight for your justice. Leave her the heck alone. I will get you. You think, let me tell you something. You can never grow on social media. As long as you want to use Oge, your best friend. See, I have everything to drag intelligent caller. I have everything to drag Olamma. But Olamma has not done anything to me. Intelligent caller has not done anything to me. Therefore, I cannot drag them. I won't say because people are abusing me from POJ. An intelligent caller is calling like all this useless intelligent Kingsley name a video. Have you acquired there? They've been insulting this, that. Yes, intelligent caller has always defended me, but I'm not a fake account. Now I'm like other people, but I no send. You understand? But you, PJ, open again a padiatro Ogechi Okeke. Ogechi no go call on. Because that time, now you they send a paricoma, maybe you bring a voice note of your name play in tanka. You understand? So I play with old videos now. I got Fuebu no the wrong. Okay, she just have police. Okay, she go and answer authority. This time, justice has come. Okay, she must answer. You must come and tell. You say Emeka is sleeping with me. Emeka, I say, no, you bring Emeka give Ogechi. Were you not the one advertising the NGO? May I show? Okay, all this phone call no. When you were advertising the whole NGO, that I go post the next one now. I said I go post on a video. Mention now ndi free on la rule. Make show video ike gura gura. So one day the beneficial to Oge. Send it to them. They should present if it's still needed. Because I told her 4 months ago, when he was around January, February, before Emil gets this second arrest, I gura mike gura gura. That these people go saga you. Oh, you na fools or na more. Abraham say these people you are calling into their platform that they are bringing war to you. I told you all this. Abraham na ga-agba war. And he's heading, and don't forget Abraham na Ndigbo ga-akpọ gas. So my sister, retrieve now. Happen Ndigbo. Happen ka ha gbawa ụsọ ndị Benin na ndị Yoruba na. Even ndị Yoruba, one time this ESA board, she doubling via UK, via meet Jagaban. Nke a na-akpọ Jagaban. Ya wu Jagaban. Now this thing, the last name. And they follow her too. Hana bia meeting a party logo, bia Stratford, water, waiting for a police. Obia wuze emezio na jepo authority. If you know say you know go, if you abuse somebody, bia want one ihe na emegi. Okay na akpo. So he wanted me say Benin people they call nyash. When blessing CEO and this is a whatever they find when they use now. This is now use also panta. The blessing CEO and Hanija na ko we na say this. Saga. Now you don't go still spend money, make them go arrest Kingsley. When they go arrest now, you don't they show say royal police aho. After they don't talk say now your brother, you don't forgive. You don't forgive. Okay, my sister, if I tell you the revelation why I say about you, you feel hate me, so I don't go tell you. I could just say, jejely leave all these people. Revelation why I say for your head, you know good. Revelation for Nisi Gadroma. Biko, my sister, Ike Gura Gura. Make una no talk say I no tell una this thing because men gwaru a few months ago na aga agba war. And on day not with aga agba war. She is coming to materialize. Now African revelation this year, I will not say it out, only told Alicia. Revelation for Nishi Adroma, Nebiko happen this thing for the sake of your health. I know why I'm saying this. I'm not going to say everything out, but I'm praying that, I pray to God on your behalf. But if info is not good, if info, as in is you, Abram, like on the Facebook, it's you personal, is not good, and I don't want that to come to pass. So people not get quick in happen all these things. Yes, on the Wute EJ platform, Obuna na parigi, na obugodi na ura hagika na po ima no ginwa, and on the Wute. Yes, it hurts if you don't have thick skin. It hurts and all that. You want to go, but then if I know it's not easy. But if people not get quick go, happen Saga platform because like me now, Anna Mafa, they would tell me my own is to just keep their video because when it will start playing, I will start playing it. When PJ Fashion many years ago, when she was supporting Oge, when she was sagging me, sagging Ken, na shekeleke, whatever you call yourself, you do this. Even every video on Shani Maker, I say that look at her, I should come out, I should show her where I live, that this is where she lives, this is her car. All those videos of PJ, I get them. I be because now them find trouble, just like Ike Gura find Ogechi trouble. Now them PJ and I will find my trouble. If I see Chimoya video with this, I would they shout like a mad woman. That make me say I did wait for him. I dey wait for him. Say, make she take that leg home. This not your email. You understand? My opinion, I say, I have taken lawsuits. Come on, go and sit down. Now, come on, €400. We don't even reach, we don't reach 350 pounds. Now they brag. I've girls, this is for lawyer, for one in London. Bring it on. Bring it's in a for Akajolegi. Enter flight. Come and take a lawyer. Because one thing I don't like is and a name magistrate. That's when Ophili went. I had to like stand up after Michakoranki court. I still went ahead with NMC. But because the bank wants to start taking glory, I say, you know what? ICO, you don't do it. No need to say me and the woman they fight ourselves because of a nobody like us to go wait miles away from UK. So PJ is in Asia Kajolegi, come and take the lawsuits here. The things that you don't even have idea that they exist. Movie. My voice notes. In a see former having. Why OJ no, you should stop supporting POJ members. Now why OJ I fight Ogechi. I go banyeregi the voice notes. Not be talk on. I guess my own to back myself up. Emma, I never started to play Oluchi. I won't give her that respect. Make she bury and make her finish. Before I come the brigade her all her atrocity. When she was even supporting Oge. Maybe Maduje me NGO Kojeri. Now where you they work, now you they chop. She said all those things. They were fighting me that period. You understand? Even when we were going, when me and Ufiri went to court, I don't see anything where they submit. My other they say, I just they look and they laugh. Nothing was presented. Ask Ophelia is alive today. They asked us to go and sign and not call each other. But that 1 year, if I actually wanted to get back to Ophelia that period, all those videos you guys were making, right? I for use them, take go drag her back for court. So that was why I was coming out to mention her name. Let me see what she will do. That period they will say, it's an able wine. Come out and mention more feeling. And that was I was doing video and I was mentioning her name. Can I take a action? Can you bunyeze the judge, the USB that I downloaded with the Dubai stuff. But all that is in the past. What am I trying to say? PJ, it's the name Mujolo Mirarafo. You want to take a lawsuit in UK? May you are welcome. But we don't have to travel down to Ireland to report. We can be here and send emails, make call. After all, I'm calling from here to Europe, to any Europe. Dublin is free for me. It's free of charge because I can call Europe. I can call direct. So it's free of charge for me. I don't have to pay. I'm already paying Vodafone for it. You understand? And sending email is what I'm very good at. So I'm going to post the email address now so that people will send and then copy the link. If you don't have USB, don't worry, they will send you people address. So if you know you have any video, send. Maybe my video make how you all those rubbish show you the wedding. Man, that guy put an actually we only go see passports, princess and all that. Bankia, we will send and go and give them. Since ebe ihe ọjọọ na atọ gị chọrọ ka ebutere gị isi Ogechi ka egbuo ya ka ọ bụrụkwa that yes this time around that justice Ogechi opụpụtara nwa gị Ogechi ọsị na ọ ga-egbu nwa gị onwe mgbe Ogechi si PJ agụkpa yo agụkpụ ga-egbu nwa gị princess ịpụtara gịnị ya you people were friends. Even the video where you were telling her to send you this thing, to send you picture of the NGO is there. So that is why you don't have the balls to go down to Nigeria and go and take a fresh legal action against Ogechi because in Magodi, I got pitogi like paper is in a miri. Paper it's in a miri biascata, it's like a sharp pitogi because in town Ungane, I will not get you Ungane Brune because you know say that why they fight together, they keep video. Ungane bru video ne bunyo gauge like this. Say see the woman. Now she supports you. Now she everything. The criminal when they call Ogechi. This is one of them. PJ is one of them. She's the criminal syndicate of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They should arrest her. That 20 million she came out to raise. Where is that 20 million? PJ fashion. That 20 million you came out to raise, where is it? Because this Sorie Diego, so where is the money? Because I have video evidence where you were telling them to donate that they are raising 20 million. Sisuna like Iboma de Bobo, Ogechi, Omokra 400 million. Ogechi helps us to raise 100 million. Sisuna they like to PJ Fashion, where is the 20 million you raised on Ogechi's behalf for hospital projects? The video no there, we see who he said. It's a full video. Mr. Koda de Bene go to you see this one. If you make know where I go post the video, no ga fin use there. In Apota, Kaije Butere Gisho Ogechi. Why you know the Nigeria go use your hand, go call the all of na bitterness. Una will not get heart of forgiveness. You people can never be forgiven. Ndala, the justice fighter. The grant bail. You should meet her bail condition. Really? You don't want her to meet her bail condition. May you never see help. Promise, former John. May help be far from you in the day of trouble. May heaven never defend you. At least no do. Ogechi was once like a sister to you. Ogechi gave you visibility. I remember first time Ogechi helped you to promote this your fashion show. A lot of people registered and people were voting for people. You made money that period. And that was the period we were even fighting Oge. If I don't remember, I remember that particular one. Oge gave you voice. Oge supported you. You made money that period. Oge should be a sinner. More than your game. I need to for one name. Yes, Oge can never be perfect. And I am not ready to come and start telling Oge to change. I can only tell her from inside, like, Oge, happy like this. Also, she's an adult. She's a mother. She's under a man. You understand? She's over 18. We are not blood. So I can only tell her what I feel. I can tell her inside. Not even coming outside to come and wash her dirty linen. No matter what. You know, Gechi, you have dined and wined. You have been on the same Zoom. You have been together. So no matter what, learn not to sell. That's what, see, Udodola was commenting. Oh, you want to use that Emmanuel. See, that I once betrayed him. Yes, I remember playing one or two of his voice notes. And that was the period Sharon was fighting me. I made peace with Oge. He was on Sharon's platform insulting me. So that was what provoked me to play 2 voice notes of his. Telling Sharon that this guy where they tell you say this, that say he don't once bully you or see the voice note. I remember vividly well. But I am not like that. But PJ, let me tell you something. Obugodi na-eji voice notes of Ogechi. Obuna, that voice notes will help for the case. What you can do is to send it to the right place to help fight Ogechi. Not sending it to a player, then he put a play the thing. This intelligent caller where you see. How many voice notes Angie? If fully been put a like this. No, because you know why? I see him as a brother. So betraying him is very hard. Olamma, you don't ever hear me say I can't play her voice note. No, I see her as a sister. So coming out to public to play her voice notes will be a slap on me. That is why I can never play her voice notes. I can never play her voice note, never play intelligent caller's voice notes. Because don't when you now it's only one nigga. Like now, I know they talk to intelligent caller. I've blocked him long ago. If he doubts me, I will show you the last day I blocked him. Olama, ye came when I started supporting Oge that period. You know, when I started calling Ma Ken Nabam word, I started calling her name. You know, she sent me message, she blocked me. Me, so I block her. So we block ourselves. The only person who I really love now her sister, because her sister has the golden heart. I'm not saying Olama is that's bad totally. But to see her other sister, she has a golden heart. As in, I'm saying from my own perspective. 1 year one with a golden heart. Oh, we're all being mad. She too, she hates injustice. You understand? Oh, we're all being mad. You want to go? But you can't see me saying Nana puta or Biabu puta picture, Biabu puta himun hakuro, lekwenkenke. It just say I don't get anything. The reason why I played Mariam Justice on that first time, was because she came out and called on Sharon's program and was calling me, bullying me, Gura. That was why I got pissed off and played her voice that you are the one that came to me. You are the one that came calling into my program. Thank God my house not actually saying they could have this babaya, this gown. I no send say this, that. I no want. You understand? Before they go say, I send this to you, things like that. So now make me, none of them go talk, say, I don't chop their money. If you say, okay, Mommy California, yes. Because Mommy California used to send me things. But any other person for this movie industry, only apart from the name stars here, which I really appreciate. But anybody that's in here send the grow me go send them something, I lie. Now me they send give them. I know one or two people I don't say because they're like sisters or they are like family to me. So that mean they say and give. You understand? So PJ, if nobody would tell you the truth, I would tell you the truth. You are not a good sister. And hey, I wish you would know. The whole world have seen who you really are. And everybody, go and mark my word. Nobody wants to do anything tangible because they know tomorrow you might snitch on them or turn against them. If you could do this to Oge that you've known for over 8 years, then these POJ members, everybody 1 year matter gịnị ha bidoro kpawa but oge gịnị ya na-erikọla na all together na na group onye gị connection ome nka onyere gị aka run your fashion show brought people were voting, you made money, you could turn. If you don't remember good, one good thing this girl emegoro it's okay the way PJ, don't worry, the nature will judge you. That's the only thing I will say to you. Nature, they will judge you. For the sake of Ogechi, you have to go keep displaying fake bag and be deceiving our young girls. Make them can put us so that can generate nwoke ga oversee ha ga na-etinye mma n'olu ka azoro ha Chanel and Gucci bag, because that is what you're doing. How can you come online to say you bought a fake bag, Chanel bag for $20,000? Who does that? Why are you full of lies? My people, can happen. God bless you all. Your reward is in heaven. Get ready to embrace the blessing coming your way. Thank you so much for standing on the truth. No, I have to stand on the truth because no matter what, you understand? And when I felt that Oge needs my help, I didn't have to come out to come and start saying lekwe. I know how people pushed. This, that. How are you going to help Oge? I don't need to come out. At least, fortunate hammer. One Ogechi hammer. Everybody know Dr. Gochukuma. The little I could do, I did it behind that I know that can help. Even if you don't help totally, one way or the other, it will help Oge to get justice. It will help Oge. If I didn't bring that video, because I was just going through my archive, I say there's a video. In fact, they didn't for that video. I was so happy that she even apologized to Oge, even sent Oge friend request, and Oge accepted. I said, no, nobody let me go hear this. That was how I nap. Don't worry, I will still go search for more videos. Because that time, war, it was more of Oge's video that I was saving. I was not saving my people's own. You understand? So now, the videos that they will have used, even if they wanted to nail Oge, they don't have it. And me, I'm not ready to give any of them because they are not worth it. When I say I stand with Oge, I stand with Oge. Maybe when they cry, only the new video, Ogechi, it's not before, don't send the video, give. But I'm not with you guys. And I say I pin with Oge, I pin with Oge. And anything that will make her, to stand, to vindicate herself, I will do that. Agwalono, Saga Agula, let's use our platform. And I noticed something, like there was a story of the lady I posted. People cannot go because my break I go. There's a story of the lady I posted that runs this DNA test for parents, for men, to find out if the children they are kids or not. Do you people know that I've been monitoring that video and I discovered that most people did not even comment or like that video, and I shook my head that most people don't like things, educative things, sharing that on a saga. How like vital information that will be of help to them. Even you can a lot of comments, a lot of likes, but nobody even like comment to say, wow, they don't even know things like this happen. Like women will be say, then they go cheat around. Like this lady has been running DNA tests for people, trying to, bring family together and try to allow a man not to train other people's, in my so the lady has been trying to like make sure that the man finds out whether this child is theirs or not. So they won't end up training another man's child, and then tomorrow they'll discover that it's not their biological children. Do you know that this lady, this thing actually happened to her? And then she told the story that even her own mother, that the person they've been calling herself and her brothers, they've been calling someone their dad, only for them to discover that that person is not even their biological father. Something that is educative, that for where, but if na Saga now, this guy go see people, they go come there, they will comment. It shouldn't always be like that. Sometimes it's good to take home something educative. Okay, now, Jim Menza now don't start business. Now, a lot of people are patronizing. Other people are trying to. It shouldn't only be when he's doing Saga that we should go to his platform and support. Everything mustn't always be Saga. There's some good thing we can promote. Overall, Kinjibawa Saga, Ageba, Eshiawa, Callistus Bawa Saga, Ageba, Eshiawa, but maybe something that might be beneficial. Nobody shares, nobody comments. It's not good. I noticed this thing. I said I'm going to talk about it. You understand? Yes, we are fighting for Oge to come out. Oge will come out by the special grace of God. Because don't one lady, that by God's grace Oge will come out. So this message Apugo since last month that Oge will come out. You understand? So also Haji will take another bill, no matter another this thing. Oge will surely come out one day. Like I've always said, she's there for a reason. God wants to use her for this NG of a thing to really help people in need that don't have people to speak on their behalf. That is why she is there. So when God has shown her the assignment for her, she's coming out. So it's not left for you and I to support her for this cause, to get voice for those women who are in that Suleja that have been forgotten, that needs to come out. That is the only reason why God took Oge there. God did not take Oge there. It's not where I put Oge. God took Oge there for her to see the reason for her NGO, why she's doing NGO. So that when she comes, she will be able to go and speak for those people, for them to come out. That is why you see her, she's still strong in spirit. That is why you see her, she's fearless. You understand? So anyway, Abu now get quick while, because to be honest, if PJ is going to come out and start doing live and be bullying, be talking about Ogechi, definitely people go they do live and they will come go they insult Ike Gura Gura. If Kinsley will come out and keep on talking about Ogechi, then go they make video, they talk about Ike Gura Gura and Obara and Gom Gom. So for peace to reign, PJ, start doing your fashion parade. Leave Ogechi alone. Ogechi is not your problem, and Ogechi can never be your problem, and you can never be like Ogechi till you buy. Carefully, go and look for job. Ogechi no scam you. Now she don't go. Misobi case they court. Not allow the judge to decide. If now go still come out, they talk Ogechi this, Ogechi that. People go they do video, and people go they drag Ike Gura Gura. That is the logic. If now want to make peace there, because when Oge comes up by God's grace, Oge will start running her program. Oge has a lot to give. Before Saga came, Oge was doing a lot. Likes of Bright delete. Ojirenyaka. Wunde nda drum more banyere ime bira puta. Mwa je tinye isi nu without making inquiries. Then I drag one madu. You understand? For peace to reign, PJ Fashion, face your life. Leave Ogechi alone. And if you happen Ogechi, those people from POJ now have been a platform, name Ogechi source. Be rest assured that people go they do video and they go they attack Ike Gura Gura. As long as You are not the one holding Ogechi in custody. Ọ bụrụ gị nwa jere mee ekwu ụgwọ ka eme ya arrest, pụta na-ekwu okwu, a ga na-agba ike gwụragwụra war steady. A ga na-agba ya war until you learn to mind your business. People will not leave you. And even nke gị bụ ofe nkụpụ because you have a lot of scars on your body. And a ga na-atụpe onye aga ahụ na-agba fresh ọbara. We would remind you. You understand? So for peace to reign, for genuine peace to reign, hastily go and look for job. Leave Ogechi alone. Create content. If you feel that you want to be a content creator, create content or discuss about things happening in Igboland. Discuss something reasonable. But as long as get an intelligent caller gonna put na drag oge. Ike gura go dey receive and woto. Me, I dey call Ike gura. I no call anybody there. I no put anybody picture. Na me be Ike gura one Sunday. But one Sunday Ike gura go dey receive and woto. That is just the thing. So if Obrunu talk a peace reign, no, if you want peace to reign, go inside. Uno hapo Ogechi because the more one that they drag them have fans. Might tell you something. Ogechi get fans, just like May. The way May, y'all Edoche get fans, and so Judy get fans. So the way Ogechi take get fans, now so Ike Gura take get fans. If na come out throw tantrums for Oge, her fans go come out. Fium, why ona? The same thing happens. If they throw tantrums against Marashewu, POJ big gods will come out. Pium. That's okay. So, but now the first they find, you understand? Because okay, no what thing they happen. Just like Ike Gura talk today now, say they bully him. Say fortunately they bully him for Ogechi page. But you know, go judge ni na put a platform ni bully. Don't be cha. Now they getting here. I got there. Okay. Hey, baby nurse. You know, go in the church now. You know, put on a mad baby nurse. Be hey boy. Now for you. Sometimes you may no, I don't understand. You don't understand what I get for you before everything done. So PJ, not they use another woman. They shine. Maybe I just didn't hear any bro. This in me. This well, Sha. This well. Now your time. The young shall grow. Now your time, so enjoy. Tomorrow now they go say with the jealousy because you go carry all this bag and arena. People don't worry. One day I go carry and go when they sell them cheap. Then go show now when they sell the original for this thing, Central London. I go carry and go see the fake ones and the real ones. Then I go see the real ones when she talks in at $20,000. And I go see. One day I go Brent Cross. When I reach there, if network there, I go do them live. If network no there, I go do them recorded video. I come show now. Let's wait talk say buy something $20,000. People wear now. You want to belong to a class that you dream you wish you were when you know you can never. Hey Potolano, you are spokeslady. You want to come and tell them update on Ogechi to walk on there. Ogechi that you supported for 8 years. Are you not a scammer? Were you not there when they were raising the 20 million? Did you not join to raise 20 million for the hospital projects? They craze. You think you can deceive us? You cannot. Your videos are there. You think you can deceive us? You go bring a Emeka for Ogechi. You know fully well that you want to use the Emeka to scam Ogechi. Yeah, Emeka can't scam you now. You go carry police. They record, they tell Emeka make it run. Evil woman. Yeah. Anyway, no Ogechi wey no shy eye. Me, I shine eye well. Even for POJ members, my eye shine well for where they Anyway, my people, my live una. Thanks everyone for supporting. I really appreciate you all. Beauty one yoma, evil is evil. Took food for Kingsley in police station detention. When I already talk lies now. I lie. When I go listen to her video, she says she doesn't forgive easily, that they'll come and prove. Look at how they lie. When I pity her small, the revelation I get about him, I know to like him. You like my shoe? No like my shoe. Don't like my shoe. Oh yeah, people. Thank you. For those that gave me star, thank you so much. For those that subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thanks everyone. God bless you all. Please, let's keep advocating for Oge.
and let's keep praying for her. What God cannot do does not exist. If they like, when they give her hard condition, she could still meet the bill. She will meet the bill. You understand? There's nothing God cannot do. She will meet the bill. You gotta go. Bye bye. My break time is over. I'm going back to work. Bye.